Hi, I'm Ken Sanders with 3 quick tips on antiquarian book collecting. Well, here's a lovely copy of James Cain's classic mystery novel, Postman Always Rings Twice. We have a $10 used book. We put the dust jacket back on the book, and now we have a collector's items worth 5 or 10 times more than the unjacketed book. The value is in the dust jacket, not in the book. What's a first edition? A first edition is the first printing of the book. Every book ever printed going back to Gutenberg's Bible has a first edition. In the weird collecting world, we want the first, earliest state of the book that we can get. That's the first edition. And all we have to do is open the book, go past the title page. It tells us it was published in 1952. It's a Doubleday book, and it says first edition. They're not all that easy, folks. They get really complicated, so we're just going to keep this simple. Doubleday, first edition, stated first edition, no other printing. Another often asked question in the world of antiquarian books, and people will call me up and say, well, I have a book, it's in really, really good condition, except the covers are falling off. That's not good condition. The interior of the book and the covers of the book are connected, or they should be. In this fine example, they're not. It's been tied with some twine. The covers are off the book, folks. The whole book has to be in good condition, not just the text block, but the covers too. So there you have it, 3 quick tips from the antiquarian world of books.